Let me tell you how I am getting the good output that what I am expecting from all the AI assistants such ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Perplexity. So let me show you how. So today I'll be diving into this prompt engineering. So I'll be telling you what is this prompt in AI. I know as a normal English language prompt means instance or do it urgently. Prompt, be prompt. But in AI it has a different meaning. What is a prompt? Prompt means you are giving some instructions or giving some task to the AI assistants or to AI. Okay, in return of that it will give you the exact output or what you are asking for. It can be, let me it can be instructions, then different set of questions, or it may be task based inputs that you may provide. Okay, so let me highlight this thing. So that is the prompt that what we are giving to AI. The instructions, questions or task based inputs. So in return of that, it will give us the output. Okay. So that is all you need to know currently what is about prompt. And the main confusion that I used to have about this prompt was that bad prompt and good prompt. Okay. So when I used to write something or when I used to prompt something on the AI assistants or the chatbots, I used to give the bad prompts. Okay, so I wasn't unable to get any the desired result or the output that what I was expecting. But when I started to experience that how to provide the good prompt here, then you can get the best results from the chatbots. So tell me, so let me tell you what I have learned that under the bad prompts it comes like short, then vague, no description, or no uh, functional or no format. Okay, these all comes under the bad prompt. I will show you an example that what I used to write and now what I am writing and what I am getting as a result of it. So under the bad prompt I used to write as short, say what is prompt. So it will not understand that whether I am mentioning the prompt for AI or as a simple English meaning. Then vague, it does not have a clear definition that what I'm asking for it. Then no description. If I don't provide any kinds of description for that prompt, it will not give me the proper result. Say, uh, say uh, say you want some description for your work, right? And you are working on some codings. You wrote, give me the descriptions of this coding language. So it will not be able to understand until unless you provide the coding language. It will go through it and analyze that what kind of programming language is it, so then it will determine the result. But until unless if you doesn't provide the code, it will not give you a good result because you have not mentioned that whether it's Python, C++ or Java. So that kind of descriptions you need to provide as a prompt. Then you are not asking to do some task over there, because until or unless you ask them to do some task, it won't be doing any sort of task over here. And there is no format. Say currently I'm using these as font size. Okay, font size, I'm telling it to be the medium font, or maybe the Helvetica font, which I am telling right away. Say for the format thing, I have given it should be in the Helvetica style and it should be in the medium font size. So it got a clear description that what as a user I want. But if you don't provide that, you won't be able to get that prompt. So that is what I have understood, like uh, by using this bad prompt and the good prompt. So let me tell you what the good prompts are. uh, don't mind, it's got in diagonal shape. So clear, structured, full description, and in good format. Okay, see, for the good prompt, when you are typing, it should be clear, structured, give the full descriptions and the clear format in how you want your prompt should be, and you will get the desired output. That is how the prompt works. Okay, so you got a clear idea, or maybe some idea about how the prompt is working. Uh, you can search some of the websites that I'll be giving you. There you can find some courses, or many other people are also sharing their own videos on the prompt engineering and all. But as a beginner, say I'm also a beginner and you are the beginner, so as a beginner you need to just understand these two things, bad prompt and good prompt. And now I'll be coming into this part. I'm telling you the hierarchy. Okay, RCTF. What is this RCTF? This falls under the good prompt. Okay, this is a hierarchy structure that you need to maintain when you are writing any prompt or giving any prompt to the AI assistants, or wherever you are providing to the AIs. So R means here is the role. Okay, C means context. T means task. T means task. And F means format. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to remember always, that that how you should write the prompt. uh, Currently I am following this RCTF method, which is the role, then context, then task, then format. So say I am writing a prompt to get a description of my current own business. Say for the Bata showroom, which sells shoes, then socks and other things. So write it like this. So if you are writing any bad prompt, you may be writing like it that I want to make a product description on this uh, bata shoes. So it does not have any clear description that which type of shoes and for which product you are going to show this description for that particular product, then which city you want to make this for, or you want to make it for the pan India. So you need to clearly mention that what kind of prompt, what kind of role and task that you are providing. Okay, so I think you got a clear or maybe some of the idea that how the prompt is working. So I'm sharing it from my own journey, that what I've learned and what is the current method that I'm following, and I really got benefited from it. So let me show you two of the examples in ChatGPT and in Claude, that how that what is the difference between this bad prompt and the good prompt. Okay, so let me go into this ChatGPT. Let me ask ChatGPT, give me one product description of a car. Fine. Give me one product description of a car. Fine. Let's see what it comes. See, the first thing, I have only mentioned that give me one product description of a car. I didn't mention that what type of car do I want, what is that model, and I didn't mention anything. It took out from their own thought process that I am asking for the Tesla Model 3. So it is giving me the vague result, right? So that's what I'm telling you the use case of this bad prompt. Now let me write, act as you are the owner, act as you are the salesperson of Tata showroom in Mumbai. Fine. Act as you are the salesperson of Tata showroom in Mumbai. You need to describe the Tata car recently being you need to describe the Tata car recently being came in the market, which is Sierra. Give the overall description of the car starting from its braking system, automation or manual, then other criterias like hatchback or sedan. I want a proper sales pitch to the owner of another car showroom. You need to be precise with all technical knowledge. See, now what I've given over here, act as you are the salesperson of Tata showroom in Mumbai. That means you are acting as someone. You are providing as the role that you are the salesperson of the Tata showroom in Mumbai. You are also providing the city name. You need to describe that Tata car recently being in the market, which is Sierra. So you are giving the context that for which car you need to show the details. So you are providing the details for the Sierra car. Now you are giving the task. Give the overall description of the car starting from its braking system, automation or manual, then other criteria like hatchback or sedan. I want a proper sales pitch to the owner of another car showroom. So this is the task that you have provided, and this is the format. You need to be precise with all technical knowledge. So you are providing the overall prompt in the RCTF method. So let me enter it. Let me find out. See, see the difference between the bad prompt and the good prompt. You are providing as an RCTF prompt, and check how the overcome overall result that I have received. Sir, welcome to Tata Motors. As it is providing the pitch to another owner of another showroom, car showroom. So it's being embedded as, sir, welcome to Tata Motors. Let me present to you not just a car, but a strategic product opportunity for your showroom, the all new Tata Sierra. So it describes so well for a salesperson or for any person whenever you are providing the roles, task, context, and also the format. See the platform and the segment positioning, engine and transmission, then braking and safety. So it is providing the all kinds of technical aspects and also along with the sales perspective to give the product knowledge of this Tata Sierra car. So that's how I want you to follow this RCTF method. You are providing this role, giving the context of what do you want, giving the task, providing the instructions, and asking them to provide this in a particular format. So that's how. So simply if you go to in Claude, say I want to showcase my bakery. I want to pitch about my bakery to investors. Let me see what I'm getting. Claude will take time. Okay. Maybe it's not working right away. Okay, let me ask the same question to ChatGPT. Okay. I want to pitch you about my bakery. Since I'm using that ChatGPT free version, for a particular chat it will be having only 5 to 6 chats. Okay, so if you are going for the pro version, if you are going for the pro version, then like the upgrade plan, you can check this here: free, go, plus, and pro version. So kindly I would suggest you should go with the free version only, and understand how the prompting and how the chat gpt and other uh, chatbots are working. So understand those concepts as I am also understanding. It all comes with the continuous practices, with all the prompts that you are giving over here in the chatbots. Okay, so let's see what it came. I want to pitch about my bakery to investors. Got it. It's let's craft a sharp, investor-ready bakery pitch that sounds confident, numbers-driven, and scalable. Oh, good afternoon. We are building that the bakery. So it gave me a uh, general pitch for the investors, right? And the ChatGPT does not know for which investor I'm pitching, whether he's from the finance background, whether he's from the FMCG background. It doesn't know anything. And my bakery is situated in which location, they does not have any idea of which I'm talking about. This is the generic output that I have received on the use case of the bat prompt. So let me tell you how I can provide the good prompt and get the better result over here. I am you are the you are the marketing head of FMCG FMCG companies, and also you are the investor, and your keen interest is in bakery shops. Now I am running a bakery in Delhi, Gurgaon. Say only Delhi, okay? Now I'm running a bakery in Delhi where I have introduced some cheese pastries and some unique cakes which are totally going viral in my area, and it is being consumed on a lot basis. Now I want to open a second branch in another city, say Ahmedabad. So so I need money so that I can open the store. The format in which I want will be purely investor ready and some emotional aspect, as I am still a college student. See, I have given my role, I have given the AI as its role, then providing the context, and then the task that I'm giving it to this, and in the format in which I want. So let me give it enter. All right. I'll speak as someone who understands FMCG scaling and evaluates investments daily. This pitch will feel real, fundable, and human. See, that's how you are getting your exact result. See, Thank you. What started as a small experiment is now turning into a consumer loved brand with products that are not selling but just going viral locally. So my product, it is being described as my product. Then proof of demand, that what are the SKUs, that how many daily orders that are being sold out in my area. Then why this is bigger than one bakery, why Ahmedabad. It's providing all the logics behind those what I am expecting it to give. So that's how the prompting works, the good prompt and the bad prompt. So this is the confusion I used to have beforehand. Now I am quite understanding that how can I get the best results of it. So you also try, maybe try the same prompt that I've used right now, and you can get the different outputs as well onto on when you are using the different AI assistants. So that's how you should be working on this prompt. And so let me note it down for the day 2, that what I've done, right? So I can keep a track of all the things that I'm working on. This is the bad prompt output. Fine. Okay, I'll just mention copy and paste it. Fine. So this is my day 2 of my 100-day AI challenge journey, where I'm not only learning, I'm also trying to build something, and maybe whatever I'm learning, I'm trying to provide the same thing to you as well. So you also, you and me can both grow together, because in 2026 right now, without AI, we are unable to do anything. This is the situation right now in the whole planet, right? So okay, so maybe I'll be meeting in the next class, next days AI challenge journey. So thank you for now.